Hi everyone, whoops, it's Tammy, and it's been a little bit since I've done a get ready with me, so I'm not going to do a full get ready with me because I really don't want to fool with my makeup too much, but I thought I'd just do a little chat while I'm getting myself ready for the day. It is Sunday, and we've had a great week actually. It's gone by pretty fast. I can't believe that it's almost August, and maybe by the time you're watching this it already is August. I don't know when I'm going to get it up, and I really don't even know the date right now. It might be the 29th. I don't even know. It's crazy how quickly time flies. So this week is going to be a crazy week for us. My daughter goes back to college. She finishes her work as a camp counselor on Friday. She moves into her new apartment on Saturday, and Monday she starts work as a student teacher. So, whew, her life is about to get crazy. But she's going to really like it, I think. And my dogs also start their training this weekend. So they're going to be in the puppy class, which is really nice. Oh, and I'm using It Miracle Water right now. I washed my face with the It cleanser. Actually, no, I didn't use the It cleanser. I used Clinique. That's the cleanser I used in the shower. I switch sometimes depending on which one I have available. The It one I usually just buy when I have, like, I don't buy just the cleanser by itself. I wait until I need more than that, and then I just buy like the 3 things. And I've started buying that instead of Clinique, but I still have some Clinique soap left. So I will use the Clinique soap if I don't have the It. And then if I do have the It, I use that one usually. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. My counter has got makeup spill on it. So we'll clean that as we go. I hope you guys have had a good week. Or a good last week, and I hope that this week looks good for you guys too. Like I said, mine's going to be busy, but I think it's going to be a good week. It's just going to be getting things together. Now Saturday after we train the dogs at 9, and that's going to be, I think, an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And then after that, I'm going to come home for a little bit. Katie's dad is actually moving her in. He hasn't moved her in yet. And since this is her last year, he said he'd really like to do it if he could. So I'm going to let him do that and stand by. Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and sorry that my Sunday get ready with me didn't work out at all. My husband came in and he started doing his hair, and then he wanted to talk to me, and so life happens. So I included it just because I had started it, so, you know. Hug. I don't even know where I left off, but this is the last week for my chicken to be home. Wow. The summer has flown by. We didn't even get to knit together or nothing. Sweet chick. But she's a little bit nervous and a little bit excited and a little bit more nervous. Excuse me. I know she knows she has 2nd grade. So that's pretty cool. That's like her favorite, she thinks. So that's really neat. She gets to do 2nd grade, and she is just going to have so much fun being the student teacher. I know that the kids are going to love her. So that's pretty cool. And Alex said that he's doing really well. He picked up another shift, so he's working a lot, and he's really trying to make the money, so that's cool. And Dennis is working on painting the boat, so he is getting that done. He's really working really hard. He's sanded it all down, and it's not a wooden boat, but I don't know, you can still sand whatever. I was going to say styrofoam. I'm sure it's not styrofoam. It's not aluminum. It's not a metal boat, but I don't know what it is, but if I heard it, I'm sure I'd know, and I'm sure you guys know, and are probably yelling at me, telling me what it is, but whatever it is, he is doing a really good job, and he's gonna paint it like a sparkly green color. I'll have to take a picture and show you guys when he gets it all done. The pups, oh my gosh, the pups are my life. I love these crazy, silly puppies, and I am so glad that we got two. I know that some of you think that I am nuts, and you're probably right, but oh my gosh, I just love them. And it's so fun to have two because they play together, and they're sweet, and they're pretty calm, and they had their first excursion over the weekend. We took them, Lisa and I went for coffee on Saturday. As per usual, and we took the pups and we sat outside at Starbucks and had our coffee, and I had brought treats for them, and I brought a little bony thing, like a little rawhide-ish thing. It wasn't really rawhide, but whatever, the safety bone things. Had brought them both one of those, and they enjoyed that while we talked, and they were just so good. And people came up and wanted to pet them and wanted to see them, and somebody even asked if they could take their picture, so I'll include that. Lisa grabbed them and held them. It was really cute. So we had a great time. And then, so yesterday after work, I decided that I would take them, maybe that was Sunday. That may have been Sunday. I don't even remember now. Gosh, I don't remember. But yesterday after work, I took them to a dog bakery, and it's called 3 Dog Bakery, and we took them there, or I took them there, and I just took the 2 because, you know, I need to get them socialized a little, and it's too hard if I have 3 by myself right now with the 2 puppies. So I just took Waylon and Winnie, and they were so good, and they were so cute. And $33 later, I left the dog bakery. My goodness. But half of that was on bones, and I, you know, of course got one for Taz, and it was bigger, so his was more expensive, and then just the 2 smaller bones were kind of pricey too. So I guess at least half of that was on bones. And then I got like little bakery kind of treats, like it had, I think it's carob that is safe for them, and they said that puppies like it and that it doesn't usually bother their tummy. They were super great help, and it was so fun. They picked out a bunch of things, and they were prancing around like they were owning the joint. There's some smoke coming off over here. I hope that, please let everything be all right. Just wanted to pray for them. I hope that it's not a house fire or something. That's scary. But anyway, they loved it, and I loved it too. It was so much fun. And the dog bakery said that October is Pit Bull Awareness Month, and they do some special things for pit bulls, and they told me the dates. I think it's October 19th or something. So I'm gonna have to write that in my calendar and be sure to go if we're free to see those puppies. Super fun. Or not to see those puppies, but to celebrate those puppies. And they will be even bigger. They're getting so big. It's crazy, crazy, crazy how fast they grow. Crazy fast. Oh. But I love them to pieces, and it is so cool to have them. My goodness, they are just amazing. So I feel like a new mom bragging about her kids. It's kind of the same thing, only these kids don't talk back. They don't ask me for money. It's fabulous. No, my real kids are fabulous too. I love them to pieces. All right, I'm pulling into the neighborhood, so I guess I'll let you guys go. I did do some silly pictures that I will include here, and just know that I appreciate all of you, and I hope that you all have a fabulous week and do something fun. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.